Did you get it?
It's beautiful. And which bread is this one?
This one is multi-grain, whole wheat with almonds and pecans. I think it would be a wonderful bread in autumn, don't you think?
Now, do you only make traditional recipes here? Or?
We don't. We do. They allow us on this side to make some different things so people can try different things out of the brick oven. Their main thing is we're blending the old with the new, and what we're trying to do is to be sure that people can see that you can bake in the brick oven, and that we would be able to serve that, and you try. We do German black bread a lot, and that is a very old recipe, but it's Brother Jeffrey's recipe. He tweaks these recipes and gets them where he wants them. And we're showing people that the oven is still operable, and during the week, and we have hands-on on Saturdays also, which is from the table that you see in the next room. Today we're letting people do love feast buns and do love feast buns and do sugar cookies. And when we finish with that, we can't serve that to the public, so they put it on the pans, we bake it last, and we take it outside, and we let children and families take it outside, and we put it around the woodshed, and we put it under the trees, and the birds and the squirrels come from everywhere. We've got a big raven and a blackbird, and they'll come all the way up to us, and Sister Melody's afraid of them. I had to answer the phone on the other side to answer some questions for someone, and I had Bird come all the way in the door and hopped all the way in there on my foot, and I had to get her out because they'll try to come in because they know we feed them.
Yeah.
We got some big animals running in there. They feed them real good.
We have the biggest squirrels, fattest squirrels in Salem. How are y'all?